Yo, 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 what's up, brother? What up, what up? Wait, let me check something. Privacy, hotkeys, miscellaneous, enables visual alerts. Making some tweaks. Alright, let me see if we could get some people in here. We are doing the giveaway today. Let me just fix everything. There you go. And now we just share the stream. Should be good to go. Should be good to go. Let's get everybody in here. We live. And then let's get some more people in here. Good morning, good morning. What's up? Welcome. Welcome. And let me just do a live on Insta. We should be good. We should be good to start. How many accounts are you giving away? We'll see. We'll see how we do today. Minimum just one. We'll see if we do two today or tomorrow or we'll see. But we're gonna do a giveaway every single day for the next week. Live on YT at Misk SL give. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, we're fucking ready, boys. We are ready. Just waiting here for market to open. And I'm trading currently 3 combines right now. Um, no more gambling, boys. We're back to submitting to the process, back to journaling, everything. I'm gonna teach you all how to pass your combines the right way. How to only trade good setups. I have my journal ready on a clean slate because we are going to journal. We are going to journal. So, let's see. Market is just opening. Good morning, good morning. Y'all fucking ready for that giveaway, dog. Y'all dialed in. As always, to enter the stream, to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is comment on the chat and you have to be subscribed. That's all you have to do to enter the giveaway. Be subscribed and comment on this chat. All you have to do is comment once. GM, head out, what's up, brother? With your good morning text, that's it. That's all you need. As always, we're going to wait for the macros. We're going to follow the unicorn strategy. We're going to be patient. We're going to be detached. We're going to zoom out. Let's project. Let's give ourselves, let's say, 2 weeks to pass the accounts. 2 weeks. I'm only here for the giveaway. I know you are. You're ready to gamble that free account. I know you are, bruh. I know my people. But no more gambling on this stream, boys. No more, no more. Had a down week last week. No more gambling live. No, sir. No gambling. I'm going to show you all how to pass the evals the right way. I'm going to make this into a YouTube series. This is going to be like the first episode. I'm going to record it as a jumbo. But let's give ourselves 2 weeks to pass these accounts. We're going to trade the unicorn patiently, waiting for good setups. No more gambling, boys. We've submitted to the process. It's good to be back. Good to be back into that mind frame. Let's make some money, boys. Let's make some money. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed and just comment anything on this chat. Alright, let's go ahead and let's all get into the same page in terms of what the fuck we're gonna trade, what strategy we're gonna follow, and everything. Let's briefly go over here and review the checklist real quick. So right here is the unicorn. This is the unicorn strategy. This is what we need to wait for us to take a unicorn. We need a failed order block, meaning a breaker block or a mitigation block. We need the breakaway gap with a market structure shift. We need to align with our buyers. It needs to be in macro time, preferably a limit entry. Stop loss and protected high or low. And TP is in a liquidity zone of a minimum of a 1.8 RR. Ideally, we're going to be shooting for 2 to 1, but let's see what type of trades we could get off this. And this is the trade management thesis. I feel like this is going to be the most important part to follow. Once we reach over 50% of the range, we're going to move to break even. Win or lose, we're going to be done for the day. At break even, max 2 trades. No manual closing the position. We'll see. I'll put an asterisk on this because I feel like this is going to be very. Oops. This is going to be very. What do you say it? Personal or in random cases. Ranging days, do risk or no trades. Trailing stop loss towards the last gap. Enters on ES or NQ tab. Exit on ES or NQ tab. No trades on macros if high impact news. Once trade idea gets invalidated or I miss trade, no trades. S&T plus market structure shift on either asset can be entry on first presented fair value gap. Keep an eye out. All right. This is the unicorn. This is what we're going to trade for the next, for my whole life, hopefully. Yo, it's Dark Trades. What's up, my G? Welcome. To participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed and just comment anything in the chat, and you will automatically be entered in the giveaway. We will do the giveaway raffle at the end of the stream. Once we've taken our trade, could be this macro, could be the second, could be the last. We're gonna be giving away. We're gonna do a giveaway every single day for the next week. There's there's not gonna be repeat winners. Let's fucking go, boys. We're waiting for the macros. Let me write down the macros real quick. Macros. Remember, we do 9:45. Oops. Macros. We do 9:45 to 10:15. We do 10:45, 11:15. We do 11:45 to 12:15. These are the macros. These are the time gaps we trade. The ending and the beginning of a new hourly candle. We also like to trade the PM macros sometimes, but those are in special cases. No begging in the chat, Nico, please remember, don't forget the rules, dog. It's gonna be 100% random. Random, boys. So we're waiting for 9:45. You can see the time right here. Still a couple more minutes to go. We could start establishing our bias for the day. Let's wait a couple minutes to start our bias. Let's let price keep delivering. We've taken the London highs. We're coming for the Asian highs up here. We always like to mark those down. Asia high. And these zones that you mark out, these highs, mark them out on ES as well to see if price has delivered to those highs already. And it has not, so we do not have SMT. Asia high. We did just have a clean liquidity sweep and delivery. And is going. Is going. Let's wait a couple more minutes to start with the daily buys. I'm fucking hyped, boys. Like I said, we're gonna follow our rules. Are you trading fundeds or evaluate 3 evals? We're gonna be passing 3 evals. We're gonna give ourselves a 2-week time frame to pass them. I'm currently recording a YouTube video. This is going to be a YouTube series on how to pass the evals following rules. Giveaway when? At the end of the stream, once we've taken the trade, give everybody opportunity to participate, join up. All you have to do to enter is be subscribed and just comment anything on this chat. By commenting once, you automatically enter into the giveaway. Let's go ahead and start with the bias. Let's determine our bias. We start with the daily time frame. We go to the daily time frame to the 4-hour, to the 1-hour, 15-minute, 5-minute. Starting from the top, the daily. Where we at the daily? This is the first day of the week to trade for New York at least. We've swept some lows. We've manipulated. Seems to be that we want to trade into this daily gap. But since we're not delivering from any PD array on the daily, we are going to put a neutral bias on the daily. 4-hour. In the 4-hour, you could see we're currently trading inside of this 4-hour bearish gap. After we just inversed this bullish gap. So the 4 hour, since we're trading inside this gap, let's see if we could get that liquidity sweep. But at the 4 hour, we are going to be bearish. Let's move to the 1 hour. Same thing with the 1 hour. We're trading inside of this hourly gap. Let's see if this high gets taken. We're going to be trading inside of a bearish gap either way on both sides. So I'm going to say bearish. I do want to get closer to the hourly close to see how this candle is going to close. But we always assume every PD array, every gap is going to get respected. So we're bearish on 2 time frames currently. Let's go on the 15-minute. Let's observe the 15-minute. So feel like the strongest gap, higher volume. Let's see. And I feel like we're just bearish. It's just bearish. We are, like I said, we did inverse a 15-minute gap to trade into the buy side liquidity, which we still don't sweep on either asset. That could be a little alarming. But we are bearish bias on 3 different time frames. There's no need to do the 5-minute anymore because we are going to be ideally looking for short entries. So let's see if we can finish delivering towards that buy side liquidity, towards the Asia highs. For us to look for shorts. Remember, we're looking for order blocks to form. And let's let price continue doing its thing. The macro's about to start in a couple minutes. Don't get ahead of yourselves. We obviously want to get closer to the hour, to 10 a.m. So let's let price give us more context. We're patient. Let's read the first line of the manuscript to kick off the first day of the giveaway, first day of the stream. It says, I am a professional trader. I move with purpose, not emotion. My job is not to predict. My job is to react with discipline. That is what we are going to do. We are going to react. We only enter a trade once we see our beautiful unicorn. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed. You could just comment good morning or one comment on this stream. We'll give you your entry ticket to enter the giveaway. So we are coming here into this order block. Let's see if price wants to respect the order block and deliver towards those Asia highs. So we want to see this order block get respected and take us higher. This is a bullish confluence. We are in bullish order flow after sweeping the liquidity down here. We've been in bullish order flow. So we assume bullish PD arrays will be disrespected. In this case, we want to see this order block push the price higher towards the Asia high. So this is our last line of defense. We also have this other order block right here. So we're trading inside of this bullish PD arrays. We want to see price respect these bullish PD rays, but if it starts inversing, let's see here. Let's observe closely. So the 2-minute on ES is looking mighty clean for shorts. Let's see if ES gives us a tap to enter on shorts. The entry would be right here. Let me frame up the trade because we do have a unicorn. 50 points. Probably target this low. Oh, we're getting close, boys. Yes, just tap the unicorn. Was waiting to see if NQ. Yes, just tap the unicorn, boys. I'm not gonna enter on this trade yet. I'd rather see NQ come trade into it, but ES has already given us an entry for a unicorn on the 2-minute. So I would expect this buy side, the sell side to be taken now. We did not enter the trade because NQ did not give us the tap. ES did give us the tap. Nah, I'm not sure right now. I'd rather just not enter the trade here because it would have given me a very, very bad fill. ES did give us a beautiful fill, and it's delivering towards that sell side liquidity cleanly once we tapped on ES. So we missed this trade, which is all good. I'll show you what I mean on ES right now. But that's a clean unicorn, boys. Clean unicorn delivery. We missed it, unfortunately. That was already clean for shorts. We did not get our tap. Let me show you ES real quick, what I mean. Look at this beautiful unicorn. We have our breaker block right here. We have our breakaway gap tap right here. This was the short I was looking at. You could see it taps the bag, and we were targeting the low. It was better framed on NQ, which still doesn't take that sell side. But this is the same area, same trade we were looking at. I'm not going to go with the first trade I see. I want to be confident. I want to take a good setup. When we tapped on ES, NQ was already hard rejecting, which was going to give me a very, very bad fill. And I did not want to participate on this trade. But I'm still curious to see that sell side taken. TP got hit. $500. Great read. Yes, sir. Good shit, brother. Congrats on taking that trade. Easy money, boys. Is that you? This is what the unicorn gives you, and it's something I want y'all to understand. Most of the time, or if we're only looking to trade A plus clean unicorns, they will most of the time give you this type of delivery. Clean, efficient delivery to the sell side. Hence, why you protect your stop loss, why you move to break even, why you move towards the last gap. But we're watching here. Like I said, I want to take a good setup. This was a good, valid setup, good entry. And right there's full TP, boys. Full TP right there. off that beautiful unicorn. We had our bias for shorts. We were tapping into the hourly PD array. We failed to take Asia high. Clean shit. Clean delivery, clean trade, clean everything. So we're waiting patiently. Not the end of the world here. FOMO getting to me. Don't let it get to you, brother. Don't let it get to you. We did have clean delivery, clean structure, manipulates towards the high. Just appreciate the model for what it is. Like, take this as like to learn to build conviction into your strategy, or that price will actually deliver the way you think it will. We were manipulating inside of this hourly gap. We were bearish on multiple time frames. We were bearish as price was coming up. Just gamble, bro. That would fix it. Don't gamble. Don't gamble, boys. So again, I'm curious to see what we're doing on the 15-minute. We could see this OB as our line of defense because we assume we're still bullish. We're still in bullish order flow. I want to see how price reacts from this OB. I feel like we've already delivered towards um, our discount, so shorting wouldn't be the smartest choice. We had a clean entry, a clean trade up here. We did not take. We missed our entry because it was on ES. But we're patient traders, boys. We're patient. We don't get FOMO. We're not attached to the charts. We're actually detached from the charts. It's the first macro. The match just started. The game just started. First macro, bro. You don't want to blow your bullets on the first macro. More macros to come. So we're coming for this low. And I want to see ES take the low as well. Yeah, unfortunately on NQ we did not retrace into any gap. Just delivered cleanly towards sell side. But ES did present a very, very clean and beautiful unicorn that I love to see. And that's what the unicorn gives you. It gives you clean delivery. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Look at this beautiful 2-minute unicorn, bro. Beautiful 2-minute unicorn. This was what I was seeing. So this is that breaker block, and then this is our breakaway gap. Right there. Your short entry right there. And target that external. And look at what it gives. Look at that tap, clean tap. And look at that delivery, bro. The unicorn entry signal right there. Look at that. It's clean, it's beautiful, it's fucking amazing, dog. Fucking amazing. Couldn't capitalize on this, unfortunately, because we did not get a tap on IQ. It's this candle. You wanted to see a tap here, it didn't. But it is still valid to enter once ES taps. Just wasn't ready for it. And when I saw the tap, like it was already too late. Price had already rejected hard. So we done took that sell side. Doo-doo-doo. We want to get closer to the hour, boys. We're waiting here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Pedro. I made 700 off this short. Yes, sir. That's nice, brother. I feel like that was the trade of the day, boys. That should have been my one and done. Shoulda, woulda, whatever, bro. We're chilling. We're gonna wait patiently. I'm not gonna FOMO in any trade. I'm not gonna gamble. I'm not gonna do anything stupid. We want to pass this account. I've built enough conviction to know that the unicorn presents itself always, all the time. So we're chilling, boys. I rather not take trades than take random trades. We're getting here closer to the hour. I want to see how this hour close. Clean manipulation into the hourly gap and clean delivering towards that sell side. And we're dumping, boys. Don't think like that. There will be numerous opportunities that present themselves today. Stay disciplined. Yes, sir. How many funded accounts do you have right now? Zero funded accounts. I'm trading 3 evals currently. Um, I'm doing a YouTube series on how to pass the evals properly. Doing that YouTube series. We just missed the trade entry up here. Some people on the chat were able to capitalize on that trade idea. I decided not to take it. And we are going to wait. We are going to wait, boys. And cheeky shorts we missed, boys. About 200 points. You love to see it. It's always nice. Yes, sir, boys. Patience, pace, dog. Patience. Don't get discouraged. Don't get discouraged. We're waiting. If you want to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is one, be subscribed to this YouTube channel and to comment anything on this chat. If you've already commented, all you have to do is comment once to enter the giveaway. How comfortable am I going to be to take a bullish unicorn? That's going to be the serious question right here. Might be a little too zoomed in, but we could give it a smack if we get a clean delivery. Missing an entry is better than FOMO. That's my favorite saying, brother. That's my favorite saying. Gain confidence in the setup. I take this as a win because I save it here in my brain. Building that conviction. Reversal, we want to see a unicorn. So we already did get a CRT, but we only enter CRT when we have SMT, and there's no SMT. So no entry on CRT. So right now we're just observing. We are getting a nice order block right here. Let's see if it respects it. This bullish order block. Clean bullish order block. Prices rejecting the zone, the area. I could see us hold at least towards this gap or see it take this high. From this bullish order block. Let's see if price wants to. Yep, there we go. So we already have, this is our market structure shift right here. So I'm still watching ES because ES is still holding a breakaway gap on the unicorn. And it's going to be the same thing where we're going to have to wait for ES to tap to enter on the NQ. So we might do a manual entry here soon. And I wouldn't mind giving longs a try. But I need to see ES retrace and tap into that unicorn. But it's delivering. It's delivering. Remember, we were bearish bias. I feel like we've already completed our sell model towards the sell side liquidity. So let's kind of lock in. We're still here in the macro. We are still in the macro. If we're still thinking that price is going to deliver bearish, what would be our targets? Probably the body of this low right here. if we're thinking short still. Just giving myself an idea. I'm gonna give it a try here, longs, because ES tapped on that unicorn. Below this low is my stop loss. Let's see if that bullish unicorn holds. We're giving this a try because I feel like we've already completed our sell model. We have untapped Asia highs. Let's see if this still wants to hold bullish. This is going to be my only trade for the day. If it's a loss, it's a loss. Hopefully it gives me the opportunity to protect my position. But if it doesn't, we're not gonna trip out. So right there, it's tapping that bearish FVG. Price is heavily reacting towards that bearish FVG. Seems to me that price still wants to hold bearish. But we are holding with high conviction. And let's just trust the unicorn and let price do its thing. We're not gonna get the best close. Heavily respected that FVG. But that bullish order block is holding price. It's stopping it from going lower. Let's see who's winning here, the buyers or the sellers. This is going to be my only trade for today. So after this trade is finished, we're going to do the giveaway. The bears are still in control. But we are holding with extremely high conviction, trusting in the model, trusting the unicorn. It's bound to fail sometimes. But we trusted with high conviction. Another rejection candle. Not what we wanted to see. Big rejection here. Just gonna hold my stop loss. But that is one big rejection candle. Sellers are still heavily in control. And we're just about right there. We got cooked, boys. We gave it a try. It's all good. I'm not worried. We're going to give it another spin tomorrow. We missed our short entry up here. Wanted to be sneaky and catch that bullish unicorn for that retracement. We failed to do so. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. We are going to journal this. So y'all can see that. Today's date. They didn't seem to save. It was yellow carpet news. Our bias for the day was bearish. We took it in the first macro. We took a long. There was no SMT. We were risking 500 and we lost 500. Paste our chart. Oh, don't tell me it's not gonna work. Yeah, the pasting of the chart is not working. All right. Let me quickly type the analysis. Took a bullish unicorn. Unicorn on ES tab. Stop loss hit. Align with bias. I feel like the better option today was to wait for the next macro. I'm gonna be mindful about aligning with the bias with that initial short. Don't do it, man. It would take the daily lows. AQ is going to the value area low. The 5 days anchored. All right, who's ready for the fucking giveaway, boys? Let's do the giveaway. Enough with the chit chat. We're doing the giveaway now. It is your last time to enter the giveaway. All you have to do to enter is be subscribed and comment on the stream to enter the giveaway to be participant of a free evaluation up to 300k. We only have 25 people in here, so there's a very high probability you could win. Very high probability you could win. Only 25 people watching. So comment it up. We're going to start in a few. Oh, I'm excited, bro. I'm nervous. Free accounts, dog. We're going to do one winner. We're going to do one spin. There will be no repeat winners. And I'm only giving away Apex accounts. So if you're in a country that doesn't allow Apex, we're going to have to respin. All right? Let's fucking go, bro. Last chance. Be subscribed and just comment it up. All right? Are we ready or nah? Should we wait for 10:20? Should we just do it now? I got shit to do. Kind of just want to do it now. The only time you truly fail is when think it's time to give up. Never giving up. Be subscribed and just comment anything on the stream. If y'all can like it, it's not a requisite to enter the giveaway, but I would appreciate the support. Alright. And remember, there's 80% off right now with code MISC on Apex. Code MISC, boys. Are y'all ready or nah? Code. Y'all ready or not? Should we do it? I'm just edging you all, dog. Should we do it or not? Are we, bro? The chat is fucking ready, dog. Should I just wait a little bit more? Or let's just do it. I feel like let's just do it. Give me a second. We're about to do the giveaway. Remember, all you have to do to enter the giveaway is be subscribed. be subscribed, and comment anything on the chat to enter on the giveaway. We're about to begin the giveaway, boys. We're about to spin the fucking wheel. Extremely hyped. Protected low is still protected. Protected low is still protected, boys. Let me reframe this trade. Thinking this. Yeah, it's a long way up. This is just me like thinking if I had it on the protected low, where would the full TP be? Alright, yeah, I'm just yapping. Ready, boys, or nah? Let's fucking do it. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's do it. Yes, sir. Alright. People is ready. That's the Apex affiliate. Alright, let's just do the giveaway, boys. Let's just do the giveaway. Alright, this is your last chance to enter the giveaway, boy. If you do not comment within the next 10 seconds, you're cooked. Subscribe and comment it up. I'm about to close the entries. Has everybody commented? I think everybody's commented. Let me just go ahead and grab the link. Last chance. Last fucking chance. Alright, is everybody in? Alright, we're gonna start. We are going to start, boys. We are going to start. So only 25 people watching. There's a very, very high probability you are going to win the giveaway, boys. Very high probability you will. Wait, there's actually 78 total participants, Dag. Refreshing. These are your comments are loaded up. Your entries. Are y'all subscribed? Everything. Oh, duration. Let's do like 20 seconds. Spinning names. One winner. Let's refresh. Bro, ready or not? Alright, I'm gonna give you all a chance. Comment it up, subscribe, everything. Alright. Alright. It's starting, boys. I'm gonna start, boys. Ready? Ooh, I'm not, bro. I don't wanna click it. I don't wanna click it. Alright, let's go. Fuck off. Alright, ready? Refresh, let's go. Ready? About to start. About to start. It's in the middle. Alright, just spam the chat, spam the fucking chat, bro. W. Anything. Ready? Let's go. Go, go. Spin that shit. DJ. Spin that shit, DJ. No, yeah, don't watch. Ooh, I'm nervous, bro. I'm nervous. And the winner is Mario Negron 4440. Mario Negron 44440. Where you at, brother? Do we respin the wheel? Where you at, brother? If Marion can comment here on the stream or shoot me a DM. He's not here, respin. Waiting, I'm here. Alright, he's here. Brother, shoot me a DM on Instagram, please, to claim your account. Alright, so he's here, boys. Don't worry. I have very little viewers, so you have another opportunity to win tomorrow. And the day after tomorrow. And the day after tomorrow. Not here. He's here, boys. He's here. Y'all are sneaky. Tomorrow again, we go again, alright? He's here. He's here. Shoot me a DM, Mario. Please. Thank you. I'm waiting for your DM for me to end the stream. If not, we're gonna respin the wheel. Hopefully, bro can shoot us a DM. Yo, what's up? Yep, he's here. All right, I'm gonna end the stream, boys. He just messaged me. He just won a free Apex evaluation. Spin again, bro. Need the dopamine hit tomorrow, brother. That was fun as fuck. Gets me fucking pumping. That dopamine hit is fucking addicting. Let's go again tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in. I fucking love you all for real, for real. Thank you for the support. Thank you for being here. Even though you all want the free account, doesn't matter. I love you. All right, take care. GG's. Go back to chart. Nah, we're done. Just one and done. Back tomorrow. GG.